Motorola Edge 60 Pro brings the world's most immersive 1.5 thousand True Color all-curved display of Pantone Validated with Gorilla Glass 7i protection and segment's brightest 4500 nits peak brightness. Experience the segment's best 45-degree curve and 96.3% screen-to-body ratio for an edge-to-edge visual treat. Capture lifelike colors with the world's first True Colour Sony LYTIA 70C camera Pantone Validated, a 50MP ultra-pixel main camera OIS, 13MP ultrawide plus macro, and a 32MP quad-pixel selfie camera with 4K. Recording on all cameras to deliver stunning shots. Powered by Moto AI and Google AI tools like Magic Eraser Unblur. Every photo is flawless, with IP68 plus IP69 ratings and MILSTD81H. Military-grade toughness. It's the segment's most durable phone built to withstand extreme conditions and 1.5 meters drops. Experience segment's best AI with Moto AI, seamlessly enhancing creativity, assistance, and memory. Effortlessly capture moments, create personalized experiences, and get intelligent support for everyday tasks. Performance gets a boost with India's first MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor for nanometers, offering faster speeds, next-gen gaming, and ultra-efficient battery life. With up to 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, 16 5G bands, and Wi-Fi 6 support, you're always ahead. Motorola Edge 60 Fusion edges out the ordinary